What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to mod weapons in Once Human. This includes weapon mods and weapon attachments. It's pretty simple. There's a couple of different ways that we can do things, so let's run through them here. The first way of modding or improving your weapon is at a gear workbench. When you enter this, head across to Calibration at the top, and you can calibrate your weapon a couple of times using some materials and energy links, which you can get by killing bosses, doing missions, etc. And you can upgrade a weapon up to 4 times to get more damage. This is cool to do, but what happens if you want scopes and things like that? Well, what we need to do is hit I instead, then head across to the mods section at the top of your screen. In here, we can choose normal mods to put on different weapons. These weapon mods can be put on any weapon. These green ones are tier 2. Gray ones are tier 1. These are extra crit, for example, so we can hit F to use this, and you'll be able to select pretty much any weapon on your list over here. It seems to be split up by category, so different kinds of weapons. You'll need to scroll for a while until you find exactly what you're looking for. So for example, this sniper over here, I can click on it or hit F and we can equip it to that. Now our weapon over here has this weapon mod. That's great. In order to use armor mods, head across to the top up here, and now you can put helmet mods, top mods, bottom, shoes, gloves, and mask mods on whatever different equipment you have. Pretty simple. Once again, just equip, choose whatever you want to put it on and equip it. Bam, there you go. Now you've modded your armor. In order to actually put scopes and things like that on your weapons, head across to gear at the top of your screen instead. So once again, that's I followed by gear. In here, find the weapon that you want to mess around with, right click, and now you can choose mods. So we can add mods from this screen here, or we can head across to accessory at the top and add muzzles, optics, tactical, magazines, and of course change the kind of ammo that it uses as well. Pretty simple. Now you know how to upgrade, mod your weapons, customize them, etc. Hopefully this quick guide helps you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.